Hey everybody, it's Sarah. I wanted to show you guys a stitch marking hack I got because I know the running joke is that crocheters can't count, right? So I wanted to show you something I discovered that makes counting stitches so much easier. So let's get into it. So I am working on a cupcake right now, and I'm going to be working on the back loops right here only. But when you get to about right here, it can get kind of confusing, and I don't know if I'm going to end up with the same amount of stitches I started with. And I don't know about you guys, but I lose count when I get to about right here. About halfway, it's ridiculous. So I just discovered I am putting stitch markers at every 10 stitches. So every 10th stitch, I am putting in a stitch marker, and at the end, I will know exactly how many I have, and if I need to like adjust it right here, I can do that. But I just wanted to share this with you guys in case no one's ever thought of doing this before. I think it's a good little hack to do. So if you have stitch markers and you you end up losing count about halfway through a big project like this might be a good idea for you to do. So I just wanted to share it with you guys and see if anybody else has thought of this because it's something so simple. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.